In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a video in CapCut PC. If you want to create a funny rewind effect, make a simple magic trick look more impressive, or build a smooth looping shot. Reversing a clip is one of the easiest ways to do it. The good news is that CapCut PC makes this process very straightforward, and you can do it in just a few moments once your footage is already on the timeline. To begin, go down to your timeline and click on the video clip you want to work with so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to affect before you apply the reverse action. If your full clip is already the exact part you want to reverse, then you can move right along. But if you only want to reverse a short portion from a longer video, take a second to isolate that section first. Place your playhead at the point where you want to cut, then press Ctrl and B to split the clip. You can do that again at the end of the section if needed, so only the specific part you want is selected. This helps keep the rest of your footage unchanged. Once the correct clip or segment is selected, look just above the timeline tracks for the main editing toolbar. You should see several tools there, including Split and Freeze. Right next to those, find the Reverse button. The icon looks like a small play arrow pointing backward inside a circle. Click that Reverse button to trigger the effect. After that, CapCut will begin processing the clip for you. You'll usually see a small reversing progress pop-up appear on screen for a few seconds. During this step, CapCut is flipping the footage frame by frame so the action plays backward. It also reverses the audio from that clip, so keep that in mind if your video contains spoken sound or music and you only want the visual effect. When the processing is complete, press the spacebar to preview your video. You should now see the clip playing backwards smoothly and clearly. This is the best time to check whether the reverse section starts and ends exactly where you want it to. If needed, you can always trim or resplit the clip and try again for a cleaner result. And that's it. You've successfully reversed a video in CapCut PC, and your clip is now ready to use in your edit.